Hello. Today's video, part of it will be me explaining what my channel will be and will not be. So the COPPA standards, with COPPA standards, which I feel like COPPA could be fixed, but I don't know that for sure. But I feel that my channel should be recommended for 13 and older, which that also include COPPA. If any COPPA people are listening, that also includes the 18 and older mark. So I don't see what's a problem. I'll make another one of these videos and fix it. But if there's no problem, then fine. I'll keep it where it is. I recommend 13 and older. It's 12 and older, I would say, because I mean most of my friends are 12 and 12 are about to be 13. So I would say 12 and older to watch my channel, since the concept of my channel is more of a mature concept instead of a childish concept. Like, I don't be playing Minecraft and crap. Like, I play Minecraft, but like, ain't on this channel. No, man, that ain't happening. This channel has a survival topic, which involves a decent amount of, which can involve a decent amount of violence. And yeah. Okay, and the rest of this video will be how to shoot a bow and arrow efficiently. So I will take you to the sunroom. Let me take you to the sunroom real quick, where I will show you how to shoot a bow and arrow efficiently. Because there's many ways to shoot a bow and arrow. Some of them are very inefficient and have a really high fail rate. And the fail rate is high, literally. I've seen other survival YouTubers shoot a bow and arrow in the most horrible way ever. Right? How are you going to kill something like that, my dude? Like, my dude, how are you going to kill something like this? Not possible, You can't, exactly. Alright, so I'm going to try to get a headshot here. So, I'm going to show you an efficient way to bow and arrow, crouching, actually. As you can see, that's what I did. So, let me bring you down here. Let's bring you down here. I will also try maybe hunt a bird or two. And yeah, basically that's how that's gonna go. I may try to hunt a bird or two. I'm not sure if I'll be successful, depending on time wise. Basically, what you want to do? How to shoot crouching. Basically, you want to crouch like this, and you want to pull back your bow. Not all a bow like this. You don't want to pull back all the way, but a decent ways. A decent amount of the way. You want to crouch down like this. Get low and aim. Keep your arm away from the string and okay, there's a miss. I'm not saying it has a 100% fire rate, or you can even kneel. What I'm doing right now, you can also kneel. You could also kneel if you wanted to. Hold on. Alright, it went in. It didn't really pierce. Didn't stay. Let's see what the heck that was about. Sorry. That was my mother apparently left her phone, which is interesting enough. She left her phone. That means I cannot call her, so yeah. Flash again. Ah, crap, that flunked. Sometimes there will be multiple. Now the fail and hit ratio isn't the best, but oh right, that ain't good. Miss, and I doled my entire tip again. What the heck, my dude? Okay, so that's how you fire a bow. I'll show you how to fire a bow arrow. I didn't do the best job I could have, because it's kind of hard to do it crouching. Although if you're in long grass, you could kind of stand up a little bit more than most of the time, you can stand up a little bit more. Also, here I will be teaching you how to spin a staff. This is too small to be a staff, but this is a spear. So if you can see my hands, you basically keep your hands together like this, and just do this. Let's do something actually bigger, because this thing is not right. I'll use the wolf staff. I'll use my actual wolf staff. What about that? Okay, let's use the stuff. Let's use the wolf. Let's use the wolf. Let's use this wolf. Let's use the wolf staff. Haven't seen this for a few episodes, I bet you money. Basically want to keep your hands like this. This is technically a staff. Just spin faster, faster, faster. You can see my hands. I keep them together. Well, I'm hitting my leg repeatedly. But what you want to do is basically keep your hands like this. Try to clear out an area. Like this, keep them together at all times. And basically just begin to speed up. You can block most things this way. Yes, I know. And this is how you would hold a spear or a staff. This places the staff with the rib bone. Alright, peeps. This video is kind of random. If y'all have any, well, I did decide to go outside and try to hunt some birds. I didn't even see anything over here. Oh, there's a blue jay. There's a blue jay. Hold up. Be quiet. There's a blue jay out here. The blue jay right in my fire eye. Right where I can fire at him. So I'm real quick. Y'all see him up there? Oh, shoot, he ran. He's gone. Is he? If y'all see a blue jay, tell me in the comments. Shoot. Where'd he go? There he ran off. Yeah, he gone. I see him actually. I know he's 2 hours over. Not eating that one. Oh, I have time to put on my coat now. Alright, guys. Got my brown coat. Got the bow and arrow. And let's go on out. Don't worry, I will not knock myself out. you're my mom and you look at me like you don't have your keys, I won't have myself out. I'm thinking, then why ain't you gonna close your door? I'm gonna be in my own backyard. I can see anybody that tries to sneak in. So it's not like I need to lock my door. Look at this. It's gonna sneak in my house. Oh, there's a people. Right. Anyway, I could shoot him. If I could get him, it would be. Yes, it's right after school. I should have done this later, but I don't want my mom to do. It might be okay though. Y'all hear me bird, right? Y'all know I'm not bugging. Y'all know I ain't crazy. Y'all hear him, right? Let's go here by the tree. Let's go over here by the tree. Crap. Did the camera mess up? Camera messed up again, really? That's what I hate about this tablet. It's on a decent freaking angle. Alright, fine. I have nothing to set this thing up against. Except maybe. I guess this is let's set this. Let's set my tablet right up against this. Tablet, okay. Okay, I'll see y'all later. And this Scott in